Good Thursday morning, everyone. It is Thinking Cap Thursday, so check out what problems you will be doing for today and be ready to share at 8:30. At 8:30, I have 4 people going to Miss Gaudiano for makeup, so you need to check your calendar in Teams to make sure that she has put you in at 8:30. Those people are Frances, Daniela, and Luciana. You'll be finishing up your reading map, and Sophia, you will be finishing up your language map at 8:30. After Spanish, we will meet at 9:45 for math, and we will have a math practice, MAP math practice in Seesaw, and I will put you in breakout rooms to try to get you ready for the math map on Monday. At 10:45, we will read Chapter 6 of Tales of a Fourth Grade Nothing. Make sure you have completed all of the work for Chapters 1 through 5. Today we will do Chapter 6. And at 11:45, I will meet with the same people I met with yesterday. That is David, Anastasia, Maripaz, Adriana, Francis, Rafaela, Luciana, and Olivia. I will meet with you guys at 11:45. Let's make it a great Thursday, and I'll see you guys at 8:30.